Hello, Miss Brown here. This video is going to be kind of long, and the reason is because the objective of this video is to give you the students who are planning to return to campus next week what they need in order to be successful and feel confident, and parents what you need to feel confident and successful those first few days of school. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First of all, I had made a slide. I'm going to send this out to everyone. Couple things on it that are important. Mr. Salama's message. It's about a 5-minute video. The health screening, and we're going to get into that in just a minute, and a video of exactly where to go. As you can see right now, this area is blank because this video is actually going in the area along with the slideshow I'm about to show you. So let's go ahead and jump into the slideshow right now. Welcome back. We are actually welcome because you and I have never actually done physical school in the C building, and we are about to start, those of us that are coming back. How to prepare. The night before, let me get out of present mode just to make sure you can see it. The night before, we all need to make sure that our laptops for me and Chromebook for you guys are charged. One hint that I do with my own children is they pack their backpacks, they set their backpacks on the floor next to the plug, and they plug their chargers in, or they plug their Chromebook into the charger. So it charges all night, and the charger and laptop are there together. This way your Chromebook is charged and you are ready. Gather your supplies and pack your backpack and get a good night's sleep the night before. In the morning, before we come on campus, we have to complete the health screener. So I'm going to show you really quickly on the slide, on the resource slide that I'm sending everyone. Right here is the health screener. If you click, it's a hyperlink. It'll take you. It'll take about, well, in the beginning it took me like 10 or 15 seconds. Now it takes me more like 4 seconds. Every single person that comes on campus must complete the health screener every single day. Teachers have been doing it, I believe. We started at the very beginning of the school year, so we've been doing it a while. And in the beginning, it's kind of difficult, but now I fill out the health screener while I brush my teeth. That way, I've associated the two together, so I make sure I get it done before I come to school. Next, what to bring. These are the things that you're going to need if you are physically on campus. So if you're physically on campus, make sure you have a charged Chromebook, charge your Chromebook, and bring your charger just in case something happens. Make sure you bring your planner. Make sure you bring a pencil. For French class, you need a notebook. And we all need water bottles. On campus, as you saw in Mr. Salama's video, if you've watched it, if you haven't, you'll see when you watch his video. We do not have access to water fountains. The water fountains have been taped up for our protection in this COVID time. So we are all bringing water bottles. And next, positive attitude. And finally, my suggestion is 2 to 3 masks. I say 2 to 3 just in case you sneeze in your mask. It's kind of gross. You don't want to be stuck with the same mask all day just in case. We're only going to be here 4 hours, but a backup is always good. Next, where to go? Okay, so we are entering through the Stokes entrance, and I made a video. I know it's a silly video, but it'll show you exactly where to go. It's right here. Let's watch it now.
So when you arrive, you will be arriving from this angle. This is Stokes Street. So adults dropping off children will drive up Stokes Street, and they will come around the circle. They will drop off right in front of the flagpole and sign. Students, when you're dropped off, you will then head towards the gates, and you will come into the entrance. It's called the C entrance. It is right here. So you will go right into the C entrance. You can see the gate is open for us. There will be adults and some PLUS team members out here to direct our path. Once we go in the C entrance, we are going to turn left. Students, when you turn left, that very first building is the C building. It's right here. The entrance to get into the C building is right there. You are going to go into the building and then turn right down the hallway. As you turn right down the first floor, you will see Mr. Melendez and I ready to greet you. We are in C 106, we are in C 107 and 108 directly.
So I understand that the sound quality wasn't the greatest, and you have access to the video through the slideshow if you need to watch it. I made that as a separate video for a couple reasons. Mainly just in case you're super concerned, you can watch it the moment before you come on campus so you know exactly where to go. Like I said in the video, I'm not sure if you could hear it, but like I said in the video, there will be adults outside. There will be administrators and support staff, and we believe possibly some Plus Kids will be outside to direct traffic so that you know exactly where to go. All right. And again, you have access. You have access to this video whenever you need it. Now for the schedule. First period will begin at 8 o'clock. The campus gates will open at 7:55. So make sure that you are dropped off at 7:55, and then you come straight to first period. Mr. Melendez and I will be outside our doors, and you will know where to go. I will show you on the calendar where to go. Second period, first period ends at 8:55. Second period is at 9. Third period is at 10. Fourth period is at 11. Fourth period ends at 11:55, and at 11:55 we will dismiss from class, walk over to the cafeteria. There will be several stations outside or windows, I'm not completely sure which, that are going to be available for grab and go lunches. You will grab your lunch, and then students will head out the C gate the same way we came in. And parents, you will come and pick up exactly the same way that you dropped off through the on Stokes Street. At 12 o'clock, dismissal. Students will be dismissed from class. They're going to go pick up their grab and go, and they will leave through the C gate that they came in. And that is how our day is going to run. Just a reminder, we're here to help. Mrs. Zion, our counselor, she's reached out to many of you have reached out to her. Here's her information, here's all of our information. If you have any questions, I'm trying to get this video out to you ASAP, and the reason why I'm trying to get this video out to you as soon as possible is so that you have time to prepare and time to watch it a couple different times, and also time to think of questions and ask the questions and get the questions answered before next Thursday. I do want to go over the schedule before I stop the video. Our schedule, let me click over to the schedule. Our schedule is right here. We are going to start physically coming to campus on April 29th only if you signed up. So let me make it very clear. All students will not be on campus, only if you signed up to return and your last name begins with A through L. You will come on campus on April 29th, and it will be a B day. So whichever teacher you start with on B day, that's whose room you go to. On April 30th, that Friday, if your last name begins with M through Z and you signed up to return to campus, you will be on campus, and it will be an A day, so you will go to your A day teachers. Now, just to make it clear, the teachers are going to be teaching the students at home and the students who are physically in class. So if you did not sign up to physically return, or if it's not your day to physically return, you are still to log into Zoom. You are still to do school the same way we've been doing school the entire school year. Okay? So, April 29th, last name A through L. April 30th, last name M through Z. I have charted this out for the whole rest of the school year because it was super confusing to me. So On Mondays and Tuesdays, you can see May 3rd, 4th, 10th, 11th, 17th, 18th, 24th, and 25th. If your last name begins with A through L and you signed up to physically return, you will physically return on just Mondays and Tuesdays. On Wednesdays, the 5th, 12th, 19th, and 26th, everyone is at home. We are still having school, just like we've had school all year long through Zoom. And on Thursdays and Fridays, which is May 6th, 7th, 13th, 14th, 20th, 21st, 27th, if your last name begins with M through Z, and you signed up to physically return, you will physically return to campus. I am super excited to begin this transition from a virtual environment to a hybrid environment and eventually to an in-person environment. I am very, very excited. Next week, the students are going to have lessons from every single one of their teachers on safety protocol while they're at school and in the buildings, and we are going to be prepared and ready. As always, please, 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 I purposely made this video as quickly as I possibly could, as soon as I had the information. And my objective was so that you, parents, students, family members would feel confident and comfortable with what was going to happen, what to expect, how to prepare. That was my objective in this video. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm hoping that you take the time to watch the video a couple times so that you know exactly what to do and what to expect, and watch it early so that if you have any questions, you can bring me the questions. I can find the answers and we can get everything resolved before school begins on Thursday, so that Thursday we set it up to be as successful as we can. And I'm super excited because your students, our scholars, have risen to this pandemic challenge in an incredible way. So I know that Thursday is going to be a very positive experience for all of us, whether we are staying home, whether we are physically going to be here. We will start moving into this next phase of the transition of the pandemic. Please reach out. You guys have my number, area code 209-985-1605. And I hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.